All right, so this is a quick room tour of a Queen Suite at the Park MGM, Las Vegas. So we're in this is room 325 on the 13th floor. So when you come in, to your left is the bathroom. Decent size, only one, not a lot of room. It's a single vanity. Toilet, decent shower though. Little area there. Tile looks good. Place to hang jackets right when you come in. Then it's like a barn door style thing here. Right off here, you got some more storage in the closet, and of course a wall safe. This is a 325 would be an adjoining. Is a room with an adjoining door here, so keep that in mind if you're ever looking for that feature. And then this is the queen room. Nice, not a bad color palette. It's green, if you like green. And then you got a nice big couch here. Kind of a small table though. Also, you've got your TV right here. Some outlets. Of course, a full-length mirror right here. And then this is the view out the window. It look a lot better at night. Not a great view right down below, but we got a view of the strip right out our window right here. So I don't see any issues with the room, but I'll add something on the end about noise and how comfortable the beds are after we have a first night's sleep. All right, more to come. So adding to the room tour video, we've been here already 2 nights, and our thoughts on the room. Look, it's one thing, it's been very quiet here, both no outside noise, no disturbance in the hallways or anything like that. The room seemed pretty soundproof, so got a good night's sleep. Now I will say the mattresses are a little soft, so be prepared for that if you're one that likes a firmer mattress. And the sheets, I wouldn't call them top quality. They're not real scratchy, but again, they're not real soft. Same with the towels in the bathroom. They could be a little more pluff towels, a little softer. They've seen better days. I mean, they clean, but again, it's not the best bathroom towels. But the room's been clean. Housekeeping's been great. The room smells nice when you get into it. That's not always the case. Now again, Park MGM is a smoke-free casino resort, so that's a plus if that's something that's important to you. Again, so far been quite pleased. And finally, I'll talk about the price. We had a really good deal. This, my son's first trip out here to Vegas. We've got 3 nights, and the total price, resort fee, tips, taxes, resort fee, were just over $109 a night. So, you can't get in a Hampton Inn in the middle of the United States for much more than $100 a night. So, yeah, I would say it's a pretty good deal. And there's plenty of bargains to get out there. If you look, go on the MGM Resorts International website. They have things for veterans, AAA, for rewards members, or you have the MGM card, or if you do multiple nights. Like right now, I think they're doing some pretty good deals. Now this is early April 2026, and it was a Sunday. This trip is a Sunday through a Wednesday, so sometimes early in the week also helps. But overall, I think we've been quite pleased with what we found here, the rooms at Park MGM. All right, until next time, thanks again. Bye.